Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm kind of Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform here. We're talk about how to make money online, how to do your investments, how to make money with your phone. Yeah, so this one is the 2024 edition. I want to show you how you can make money online in 2024 without any investment, without any capital, just your phone and data. Are you surprised? Don't be surprised. Please click on the subscribe button and let's keep it rolling. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can make money online without doing investment or without having any capital. So I'll leave the link of the app in my description so you register and join the app. So this is how the app works. So first time when you open it, it will delay small. Let's wait for it to open, and let me show you how you can make money with this app here without any capital or any investment. Yeah. So this app, we have several ways that you can use this app to make money online. Yeah, we have several ways, and today I will show you two ways that you can use this app to make money. Yeah, so the first one you can use this app to do is to mine Bitcoin. I hope you know Bitcoin or don't know cryptocurrency. Okay, so Bitcoin is a coin that you can exchange to make money. That's it. Yeah. So like when you open or when you register the account, this interface will pop up, and before you can make your first money, first of all, just to, there will be some green over here, then you click on it to start mining. So the mining is a day. So let's say if you click on it around 1 o'clock p.m. tomorrow, by 1 o'clock p.m. you'll be making money from it. So I just started doing my mining right now. So let me go to profile and let's see the money I've made so far. So right now I have made $1.20. So I have 0.0002837 Bitcoin. Yeah, so that's equivalent to what? $1.2. You see that thing? Yeah. So this one you be like, you can't use your laptop or Chroma or MacBook to do this. Only your phone. Yeah, only your phone. Only your phone. Yeah. So when you open the account, you just click on start mining, and it will mine Bitcoin for you. It will mine Bitcoin for you. And this one, like, it doesn't drain battery or network. Nah, you can cut it and it will still continue on. So anytime you can even off your phone and still on the phone back, it will still do it, and you still make your money from the app. Have you seen it? And this one you don't need to like deposit, though we have deposit funds over here, but when you are ready to start mining, you don't need to deposit or invest anything. The reason why you have to deposit that one, if you want early money, because the mining, it will take time for you to even have $5. It can take time, like let's say a week to even have $5. You see that thing? That one, I'll tell you the truth. It can take, let's say, a week or 3 days or 4 days to get even $5. But we have another way of making money fast on this app, and that one, if I hide it from you, me say for it will pay me. So let me show you how you can also make a lot of money from this app. So you go to in you see that you have invite friends. You click on the invite friends, and you copy your referral link, and you invite more friends on it. So you copy your link, so you send to your friends. So at the moment your friends are joining, so let's say if two friends, like let's say, let me go here and let's see something. So per one referral, you will get plus one. You get plus one. Do you know the plus one? The plus one is 1.0. You see, right now I have 2,838. Yeah. So per one referral, it's plus one, plus one, plus one, plus. It's that thing. So if you like refer 20 people, you're getting another plus to it. So you be doing what you're mining, and when your friends also mine and they are getting money, you too you get share from it. I hope you understand. You too you get share from it. So let's say, oh, you are DB and you don't want to invite your friends, then you have to what mine. So the mining, for you to get $5, it can take a week or like let's say 3 days. But if you add your friends to it and you people start mining together, so right now you see I have friends, active friends, they're active, so they are mining. So if they are mining and I'm also mining, I'll get share from their mining Bitcoin. You see that thing? So that one will keep you going fast. You can say that today, me when after today, I will get $5 and then I will draw it. That's how I do it. You see that thing? Yeah. So today, right now I have more than $1. So and I still have 22 hours more. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's it. So you have to what make good use of your phone, and this thing can help you make money online without you investing anything. And let me show you the reason why they say you have to deposit. Let's assume you want to play game. We say that we have game over here and you have investments over here. The investment, you can say that you want to invest in, let's say, like we have portfolio, we have crypto. So if you want to invest in anything, that one, unless you deposit, because let's assume you just created the account, so you don't even have any money in the account to even invest in crypto or portfolios, so you have to deposit and start. But as a beginner and you want to make money online without even investing, or you don't have any capital, I will advise you to start mining. So every day mine for, let's say, 1 week, you get $5 and you want to invest it, you can invest it, and you want to withdraw it, you withdraw it. I hope you understand it. Yeah. So you can withdraw it, or you can what invest it. It depends on you. Yeah. And this one, I don't. And one thing about people is they think all online business is not true, bro. People are making money online, and it's really really lucrative, because you will not spend anything and you get money. At times you invest and you get money. You see that thing, yeah. But this one, you will not spend anything. You just wake up in the morning, click on start mining, and it will mine for you, and at the end of the day you get, let's say, $1.5, $2, $5, $6. You see, yeah. And doing this for, let's say, a month, you're cashing out without even investing anything. So if you want to join, I will leave their link in my description.